Hi, this is Sara Rayner from Crafting and Stamping with another quick tip for you. Today we're going to look at how to decorate and assemble one of the mini paper pumpkin boxes. These come in a pack of 10, as you can see. So you can actually put together 10 of these little boxes, and they are food safe. Now the shiny side is the food safe side, and then we've got a matte side that you could stamp onto, but I'm going to decorate with DSP. And if you can hear a bit of grumbling, it's my dog snoring underneath the table, so sorry about that. So the way to do this, we're going to need to put together some pieces of DSP. These are 5.5 inches long by 3 3/4 inches wide, and then we've got strips that are 5.5 inches long by 1 for the sides, and we've got ones that are 3 3/4 by 1 inch for the sides as well. So let's just put together this box. What we're going to do is going to put the DSP onto the box first and then assemble it. I found that that is a bit of an easier way to work. And what you need to know is that it's these tabbed, rounded tabbed edges here that are the lid of the box. So this is the top of the box, and these square tabbed edges here are for the base. So we're going to want to adhere our paper direct to the top. So I'm just going to use my seal. The dimensions I'll put in the description below so that you'll be able to get them. And of course you could go a little bit smaller if you wanted to be able to leave a little bit more of an edge around if you prefer. And then these pieces, the long pieces, the 5.5 by 1 inch, we're going to put at either side of that box lid. This is just a bit of an easier way of remembering it, if it were. And I get that nice and close and lined up with the lid. And it does just leave me a little edge at either side. Tiny little edge top and bottom, but you can, it's easier to keep all the measurements the same, and when the box goes together you'll see that it does look right. So get that lined up nicely there, and then the shorter edge pieces actually are going to go on these inner bits. You've got 2 pieces at the end and you want the inner bit, so we'll just adhere that and pop that on there, nice and straight if we can. And this is the True Love paper that I've been using on my cards this week. So if you want to head over to the blog, there are some cards that will coordinate with this box. So that's all of our DSP on here, and now what we want to do is fold these. So I just like to pre-fold everything first. It just makes things go together a little bit easier. So just folding all the way around on the crease lines that are already there. But I prefer to do this after I put my DSP on. Like I say, it just keeps everything nice and flat. So to assemble this, we're going to tuck in these straight tabbed pieces. Okay, so we're going to tuck these in, and then we're going to fold over the edges, and they slot into place like that. So same on this side, we're going to fold that over, slot it in, and that creates a nice rigid box sides. and there'll just be a couple of little bits of card that you need to push out, and then you'll simply tuck in the sides, and then to close the box you're going to tuck in the tabbed ends, the rounded tabbed ends, into the front of the box like that. And then I've just put together a couple of labels for the top, and we'll pop that together like that, and pop some dimensionals on the back to pop this up. So if you've stamped the box, you put it together in just the same way. And again, I would recommend stamping it flat and then assembling. You'll tend to get smoother results that way, and it makes it a lot easier for stamping. So that is our little mini paper pumpkin box. I hope that that's helped, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more top tips each week. Thank you. Bye.